Model, 57-plate Iveco Daily 35C12 with B3000 tipper needs high-pressure fuel pump long MOT grin. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 124,961. MOT, the 20th of December 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1A 116 kilowatts E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Engine sounds perfect straightforward fuel pump replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Tipper works perfectly. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.